Alright, these will be the elevators at the Best Western Plus in Winter Haven, Florida. These are newer TK Evolution 200 elevators. And as you can see, this car here is broken and stuck down here. So this is the only working elevator. Out there's the pool, and there's the fitness center. And here's the elevator. Let's go to 4. MRL 4. Back down to 1. Quite fast for the height it goes. I think these go 200 feet per minute for 4 floors. We'll go up one more time, since the other car is broken. There goes the elevator. We'll get a quick look around up here on the 4th floor. Is this open? This is. And here's the ice machine. And you got a good view from the 4th floor of this hotel. Pretty nice view. I do like the lake out there. Down there's the hotel swimming pool. And your ice machine once again. Some chairs, your courtesy phone, and a garbage can along with your fire extinguisher and your fire alarm pull station, and where we call that fire alarm for all you fire alarm enthusiasts. This is definitely a newer Best Western Plus property. Definitely smells new. And I can't believe that right car is broken, especially for a newer hotel. Here's your view from this direction. Nothing exciting from this side. Out there you can kind of see the courtyard. One set of stairs. Some kids yelling up here in one of the rooms. And now let's see what this view offers. Nothing exciting from this side either, other than a shopping strip or a shopping mall, or yeah, it's just a strip mall basically. And our hotel across the street. And there's your hotel parking lot. Second set of steps. Alright, I guess we'll go back down the elevator and end the video. And here's the elevator.